Fascinated about sustainable fish farming? Ever wondered how to balance an ecosystem in your water body? Well, today we're diving into the world of sustainable aquaculture. This isn't just about rearing fish, it's about creating a harmonious environment where every organism plays its part. From the tiniest microbe to the largest fish, each has a role in maintaining the health of the whole. So, let's dive deeper into understanding the delicate balance of an aquatic ecosystem. The aquatic ecosystem is a delicate balance of life, each organism playing its own critical role. Picture it as a symphony in water, where each fish, plant, and microorganism is an instrument contributing to the overall harmony. The fish, for instance, are like the string section creating the main melody with their feeding habits and interactions. Plants, the wind section, provide oxygen, remove toxins, and offer shelter. They also serve as a food source, contributing to the nutritional diversity of the environment. Lastly, the microorganisms, our percussion, are the unsung heroes that break down waste, recycle nutrients, and keep the water clean. In the interconnected web of aquatic life, every organism relies on the others, making each one's role vital in maintaining the ecosystem's overall health. Disrupting this balance can lead to a cascade of problems, such as algal blooms, disease outbreaks, or dwindling fish populations. Understanding these relationships is the key to responsible and sustainable fish farming. The next step in our journey is understanding the concept of responsible stocking. This is a critical aspect of sustainable aquaculture that requires careful consideration and planning. It's not just about what fish you want to raise, but also about how these species interact with each other and their environment. Consider factors such as feeding habits, territoriality, and preferred water conditions when selecting your fish species. For example, some fish are bottom feeders, while others prefer to forage at the surface. Understanding these habits can help prevent competition for resources and ensure all fish have access to food. Similarly, consider the territorial nature of your chosen species. Some fish require more space than others and may become aggressive if they feel crowded. Lastly, consider the preferred water conditions of your fish. Each species has unique needs in terms of temperature, pH, and salinity. Remember, the right balance in stocking can lead to a thriving and sustainable aquatic ecosystem. So, how can you maintain optimal water quality and manage pests naturally in your water body? The answer lies in a combination of mindful practices and leveraging nature's own mechanisms. Let's start with water quality management. The health of your aquatic ecosystem lies in the quality of its water. This includes parameters like temperature, pH balance, and concentration of dissolved oxygen. Optimum conditions can be maintained through proper filtration and aeration. Filtration systems work to remove excess food, waste, and potentially harmful chemicals, while aeration ensures that your water body is adequately oxygenated, essential for the survival of fish and beneficial bacteria. However, maintaining water quality doesn't end there. Regular monitoring is crucial. This involves periodically testing the water for ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates, all of which can be harmful in high concentrations. By keeping a close eye on these parameters, you can take quick action when needed, ensuring the well-being of your aquatic inhabitants. Now let's turn our attention to natural pest control. Chemical pesticides might offer a quick fix, but they often disrupt the ecosystem balance. Instead, consider eco-friendly alternatives. For instance, introducing beneficial organisms, like certain species of fish and insects, can help control pest populations. Additionally, implementing natural barriers, such as aquatic plants, can deter pests and provide habitat for beneficial species. By implementing these practices and methods, you're one step closer to achieving a harmonious balance in your water body. Sustainable aquaculture doesn't stop at the water's edge. It extends into our communities. The success of our endeavors in sustainable aquaculture is deeply rooted in our collective efforts. It's about inspiring and engaging with our local communities, about stirring a sense of responsibility towards our aquatic ecosystems. Education plays a pivotal role in this process. By raising awareness about the importance of responsible fishing practices, we can foster a culture of respect for our water bodies. It's about teaching the next generation the significance of each creature in our aquatic ecosystems, about instilling in them the value of balance in nature. And it doesn't stop there. Community involvement can take many forms, from organizing cleanup drives to hosting educational workshops. These collective actions not only contribute to the preservation of aquatic ecosystems, but also build stronger, more aware communities. By involving the community and promoting education, we can ensure the long-term success of sustainable aquaculture.